This 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 21BHE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Gassville, Arkansas, 72635 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Gassville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7 and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, Murphy bed. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.